Q80, Q60, yeah. Twin tube, a V6.
No pussy test, not even a vagina. Plain engine in night, be my feet pilot. BBL kit that tick like Thailand. Just drop whip, tell roll and pipe that. 7.6 to a
Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So by the title and the thumbnail, y'all already know what's gonna go down in the video. But first and foremost, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this shit changed out, man. So as y'all can see, we got a brand new charge pipe that just came in from Amazon. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take out this old one real quick. So I'm gonna have to take off the bar right here, take off the catch can. I probably just take all of this off and then just put it somewhere over there. Disconnect the line for the blow-off valve. Disconnect this because it's like right here by the charge pipe, and disconnect all of those. So that's what I'm gonna do real quick, and then I'm gonna pick up at the camera and show you guys what's gonna happen next. All right, so just now I was trying to take off the charge pipe from right here, and as y'all can see, that shit broken right there. So I think I know why it broken right there. I had a little leak was coming from right there, so I put a little like gasket maker right there, so it stopped coming from right here. Then it started leaking from the map sensor right here, from one of the screws. So that's why I'm changing out all of this shit and just get it over with. So I'm gonna have to probably use my pry bar a little bit and use one of my old ratchet that's broken and try to like hit it so it would like come off. So that's what I'm gonna have to do real quick, and then when I get it off, I'll just pick up at the camera and show y'all. Yeah, I won't believe what happened, guys. This shit won't even come off, so I had to take off the whole fucking throttle body. So what I'm gonna do right now, and why is this shit? Oh yeah, so I'm gonna have to try to take it off just like this. Alright guys, so I got the throttle body off. I had to like cut it off, man. So the grinder blade catch like right here, just a little bit, but it didn't went through. So what I'm gonna just do, I'm just gonna just bring it up, clean it up a little bit, clean out the throttle body, clean up around it and all of that, clean up the gasket maker right here, then put on a new o-ring, and then come back and just put it on. So if y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, man. Alright guys, so I went ahead and cut the brand new charge pipe, but I already put in the 3.5 mach bar sensor, so I went ahead and cut it. Put this 3-inch coupler right here, so this piece gonna go on the other end of this, while this is on the throttle body right here. And this is this charge pipe is for the F10, but I'm modifying it. It's brand new, so I could run my blow-off valve. So I'm gonna put it onto the throttle body first. Got everything hooked up already, everything connected. So I'm gonna put this on first, then I'm gonna put the coupler for this too, that goes to the stock part right here. So that's a 2.5 to a 3. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna pick up at the camera and show y'all the process. Okay guys, so we're gonna have it like something like this. I got this part on already. So this part, I could move this because I already took it from right here. So this part, I just loosened this part so I could like push it down if I want, or pull it up if I want. So now this piece is gonna be like in the middle of this piece like this. So I'm gonna put it like that first, and then I'm gonna show y'all how it looks after. So it's like a DIY. So, and if y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and the build continues, man. Got a couple more goodies coming for the car. We also got a intake manifold coming soon, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that video. So let me put it on first because I'm using one hand, and then I'm gonna pick up at the camera and show y'all how it looks. All right, guys, so we got everything buttoned up right now. I just put a little I just put like a bolt in this part right here for the vacuum line, because I plug off these, so I'm not running any vacuum line to the charge pipe. So I just put like a screw in it and then put a little JB well around it, because I don't got the thumb piece like this. I don't got the big one like this, so I just put something around that because I'm not gonna use that, and I don't really care about that. So I'm just gonna run the vacuum line from the intake manifold. I got some right here, got some extra ones, so that's what I'm gonna do. Run it from that to the charge pipe, and then I'm gonna let that dry a little bit, then we're gonna start it.